day guys! So, today, may bago tayong o-open. Wala pa kasi mga graded cards natin ng PSA, wala pa rin. Kaya, mag-open na muna tayo na isang premium collection box. Bumili pala ako kanina eh. So, nandito pa rin to. By the way guys, itong Pidgeot, sino may gusto? Pamimigay natin sa mga magsusubscribe. Be a member guys, be a member. Anyways guys, ang o-open natin ay itong si Charizard Premium Collection. So, nabili ko siya sa Toy Express ng discounted price. So, I think ayan o. Discounted na yan guys kasi bumili ako ng ng mga Sharpie pen. So meron tayong promo cards and 10 packs. So open na natin to guys. Isasama natin ito si Charizard dito sa collection natin ng mga Charizards. So dito. Ayan, ang ating mga Charizard Gigaman. Ito malaki to. Sobrang laki niyan. Tapos Amiibo Charizard, SH Figure Charizard, and yung Charizard Holo PSA 8. So mag-open na tayo. So iniisip ko kung paano ako mag-open dito kasi ang liit lang ng space ko eh. Paano kaya? May bago pala tayong stand guys. So maraming bago. Hinihintay ko pa rin yung sa PSA natin inipit sa customs guys eh. Anyways, baka bukas nandito na yan or Wednesday. Hindi naman sa reality ng 25. Open na tayo guys. Let's go! So this is the Charizard. Sobrang laki ng box, adjust na lang natin later. So you have Charizard figure, you have Charizard promo card, Charmander promo card, and Charmeleon promo card. So it contains 10 packs, 1 foil promo card featuring Charizard EX, 2 foil Charmander, Charmeleon, 1 display figure Charizard code card, and many more. So unbox na natin. Yan. Hirap naman. Oh my god. Wow. Oops, sorry. Comes with 3 pieces. So, ayan guys. And kabit na natin siya dito para sa opening ng ating cards. So it comes with 3 pieces. This is the Charizard. Very nice. Let's take him out. Wow. And the promo card. It's a regular EX, but it is okay. It's still Charizard guys. So papagrade natin din to guys. So ito yung isang Charizard ko, maliit. Anyways, muna natin sila. Ayan, tabi muna natin para makapag-open tayo. So next is this one. Wow. So many plastic guys, so many plastic. The packs. Hirap naman pala mag-unbox nito. And the promo code. Charmander. Alam niyo ba yung nasagi ko guys? Alam niyo ba yung nasagi ko? Ang aking Green Ninja! So may Green Ninja na tayo guys. So ayun lang. Share ko lang. And another 10 packs. So count, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 cards. We have Twilight Masquerade, Paradox Rift, Temporal Forces, Stellar Crown, Temporal, Obsidian, Twilight, and Paradox. So this is 10 packs, so we're gonna open 2 packs for our mini share. So let's go. So this is the first pack from the collection box. Hopefully we get something good guys. Nakakailan na tayong box and we don't hit anything. So Paradox Rift, this is my first time. Now this is the Stellar Crown. So kung alam nyo guys, last ko nag-open ng Stellar Crown is last year pa. And I got Terrapagos I think. Nabenta na yun guys. So open up na Paradox Rift. Alam nyo guys, yung pinakamahal dito is an IR Groudon. And halos lahat ng mga IR first 2 natin walang laman. Ang pinakamahal na IR ngayon is si Magikarp. So maabot siya ng 15k yata. Then sunod sa kanya is si Eevee I think. No, si ano pala, si Drowsy. Oh my god, si S8 nun na-sold ng $1,000 from Scarlet and Violet base. So, dati nakapull akong ganun. Kung nakita niyo yung video ko. And, yun, pinakayo ko pa man din yun na na-pull ko. Kala ko, binenta ko lang yun ng 300 pesos. That time, 2022, I think. Or 2023. 2023. So, mahal niya na ngayon guys. So, wala pa rin laman guys. Oh my god. Kahit bigyan lang tayo ng IR kahit sa anong set guys. Tatanggapin ko na kasi wala pa tayo na set full. Nakailang packs na tayo guys. And ito mukhang mahirap open ah. May laman ka ba? Let's see. Hopefully merong laman. And yun, meron nga Rebabroom. Kaso EX lang. So itong Charizard box is 10 packs na iba't ibang set. So ano nyo naman yung full rate dito. Minsan swerte, minsan sobrang malas. Kasi may nakita ako nag-upload sa YouTube nito ng lahat ng nakuha niya may full. Meron silang Stellar Crown na so we got one hit only. SIR Green Ninja, meron pang ano. So ba't wala tayo ma-pull? So open tayo ulit na Stellar Crown, then Paradox Rift. by twos tayo nag-open kasi nga it's another day, another box. Terrapagos. Nice one. Last. So hopefully continuing na. And uy, nice, another EX na naman. So sana hindi naman EX lang yung bigay sa atin dito. Puro EX eh. Dalawang EX pa lang. So we're down with the last two. Twilight Masker. Hopefully we get something good. Let's go, guys. And that's it, guys. We got 3 EX. Oh my god, we got only 3 EX. So ito lang yung pulls natin. Oh my, nakakaiyak. Pero at least meron tayong Charizard promo cards. Anyways, that's all, guys. Thank you for your support. I hope you enjoyed my video. Click the notification bell to keep you updated, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Be a member, guys. Bibigyan ko yung slabs. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Sakit. Oh, sakit.